What's up guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix Capcut templates not available. So all you guys need to do is to open up your phone settings and then scroll down and tap on apps and then click on manage apps from over here and make sure to search for Capcut. Then click on it and click on app permissions and make sure to allow all of these options. Make sure to allow camera, files and media, microphone, etc. Make sure to check all of them. And all you guys need to do now is to tap on clear data, and then you need to tap on these two options, clear all data and also clear your cache. And after you guys done, make sure to come back to your phone settings menu and search for VPN. Here it is. So make sure to turn off all of your phone VPN. Then now just try to open up your Capcut app and see if your issue has been solved. So yeah guys, that is basically how you to fix Capcut template not available. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Take care until next time.